this is Anim blueprint I made. I just want to show it. It's called Walking in Fear. Like this is a character that is supposed to be afraid of something. And I made that from scratch, animation and Anim blueprint. So you can see it can, she can walk, turn like this and start, stop. Pretty cool. She also can walk on stairs. There's a key. And yeah, so one goal was to a little bit look the feature of Unreal 5 and in Blueprint, new feature. I'll show a little bit now. And another goal was that initially I wanted to make 25 various walk cycles and for girls, and I made 15 and then ran out of references. So, but I will, I hope, finish that one day. So I took one of those and added another anims like stops, idle, starts, and walking turn, and then made this. I will just quickly show the Anim blueprint now. So the character is just the standard character, like you know, like the one that comes with a third-person template, more or less. And I just added a little bit of code to change the color of the logo to show where she has input. And that's the Anim blueprint, which is here. The Anim blueprint uses a lot of various Unreal 5 features. All this is the remains of the standard blueprint we don't use. At least this. And as you can see, we have here initialize, but we don't have an update because it uses a new feature called thread safe update. So this Anim blueprint is executed on a worker thread, not on a game thread. And so if you have a lot of characters like that, it's supposed to work faster. And this is the function that implements all the logic, and in this function we use also a new feature, which is a thread safe access. Instead of accessing movement component and then calling get last input vector, we do things like this, and then this is thread safe. Very cool. Then for the graph, also there is a lot of new stuff. There is a little control rig. It's not really new, but it uses noise node to rotate the head, like looking around procedurally. Cool. And there is something new and even experimental, call it foot placement, and it's a node, it's a plugin, I think, or maybe not, that does leg IK and foot locking. Then leg IK you need to, they go together. And in the Anim graph state machine, there's also new features, like here we have well, that's not new, that's a conduit, but a new feature is this, it's a state alias. We have two start states, so you can see it pretty simple. You have two start states, and instead of making transitions like this, you can make an alias and say that it represents start 1 and start 2, and transition to run. And the same for the stop. And here actually I could just draw the transition like that. And from the stops, there are 4 different stops. There's also an alias here. Let's say if you are in one of the stops, or a cooldown, but it's also kind of stop, you go here, but it's equivalent to make a lot of transitions, but we don't need that now. And there's another stops, which is also the same meaning without the cooldown, because it concerns those. Let's say you can go to the idle. Yeah, that's it. I will just show you how it works. So if we run it here, and we can show it here. And yeah, you can see the transitions. And I really like this new state aliases because it makes AnimGraph so much cleaner. It's like, it looks like some, I don't know, some factory game. All those transitions firing. And that's it. Oh, and you also can use that for player, and also you can use that for bots. Those bots are just set up to follow the player right now. So. I suppose we need to tell them to follow us. Yeah. Leader is this one. Now, oh no, I'm stupid. Those two also leader. That's the leader. Oh, they don't work. They work now. No, probably they don't have the same leader, but yeah, it works. That's it. Bye.